need permission. I walk in and the room goes quiet.
So that was a preview of the music and the music video created with a single prompt. And this is another one in a completely different style.
Shadows stretch across the room. The clock forgets to tick.
So zero complex prompting, zero keyframing. Let's jump straight into the dashboard and I'll show you how to generate, upload and clone videos just by chatting with an AI agent. First, let me show you how I created that video from introduction. I used Tunee.ai all-in-one music and music video creation platform. I found the video on YouTube that I like. This one, it has almost 400 million views by Blackpink. It is a very energetic video with many fast camera cuts and everything. I downloaded the video, then came back here to the Tunee, clicked on music video, click on music video clone. It will not completely clone the video, but it will create that main vibe from your uploaded video. So here I'm now uploading that Blackpink YouTube video. It will then start analyzing it. So after it analyzed the video and I added my song to go along with it, I chosen a style, chosen 4 main protagonists from the big library of available characters, chosen the model, and then it started doing the analysis of the overall video. So we have cityscape and billboards, rooftop, industrial, studio, red, started creating shot-by-shot breakdown of the whole 1 minute video. You see so many different medium shot, close-up shot, macro camera, wide shot, everything is there. I mean, it would take a lot of time for yourself alone to write that. And based on that imported video and some creativity, it finally provided the overall script. The visuals, the characters, everything is there. And based on that, it created 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 10 different scenes and final video, which is the video from the beginning. But let's now watch the full version of 1 minute.
Don't need permission. I walk in and the room goes quiet. Every chain I'm wearing tells a story. Spikes and hearts, they know the riot. Feel the ground start shaking underneath my boots of leather. Watch me now, I'm taking everything you think is better. Wear my crush, I'm arriving. Shattered mirrors on the floor, still I see myself just fine.
That was pretty good by my opinion. So now let's upload our own music and create a music video based on that music. Here on home page, I will click on music video, one-click music video. We'll use Seedance 2.0 here and upload your music. I already have the music here. It's a slowcore dreamy music, the one that I used in my short film that you can find here. And here just choose this segment. This segment can be the whole song or 30, 40 seconds or 15 seconds, how much you need. I'll choose 30 something seconds.
Shadows stretch across the room.
Nice, now I will click next step and here we can choose characters. This is one of the characters that I created and you also have many other pre-available characters. I'll explain that later. I also added myself here and I will use this nice girl called Kim for this video. You can always add additional characters later, so let's create. So you see it understood the BPM, soft female vocals, English song, melancholic, slowcore and ambient pop. Here we can choose story music video, visual music video or lip sync music video. I'll show that one later. For now, story music video is fine. And visual style is also nice to be fine at auto. Here are many different styles. For example, cinematic photorealism, film noir, punk riot. Then we have porcelain doll. All of those look interesting and cinematic. Let's choose on auto. here by characters, I will just leave her, but I can add additional ones. Seedance 72p, GPT image 2, we can choose of course Dream or Nano Banana, and ratio 69. I think I'm satisfied with that. Confirm. So chief creator here created the whole script. How should every second of the video look like, which scene will be used and which characters in which of the scene. Everything is there. Music video elements, you can modify things if you want, but I will just use everything automatically to show you how, by my opinion, very good it works. Continue. After that, it started generating visual assets. So the character, the location, the other location, and it also checked that if human is present, that it can pass the Seedance 2.0 checks. So after we have all the visual assets, we can continue with final video creation. And here it says it will cost 231 credits to create all of the videos for 35-40 second final music video. Okay, so here are all the videos. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 video clips. Each of them you can specifically modify and edit the prompts, or you can also lip sync so that the main character is kind of singing that actual song. But we'll leave it like it is. And then click on create final video, which is completely free. Basically the tool assembles video by itself and stitches the song. And here it is.
Shadows stretch across the room. The clock forgets to tick.
That actually looks pretty good. Transitions from the beats to the different scenes and overall mood for each of the scenes, I really like that. And character consistency is completely correct. If extended to 2 to 3 minutes, it would easily pass as a standard full music video, by my opinion. And here very transparently you see all of the costs. So for music video generation, scene design, and specific videos. Now the second way of creation is using really intelligent agent. Basically with one prompt you can create music, video, analyze everything, design everything, and have a kind of a music expert partner on your side to ask anything and to help you with your creative process. So I will just say I need a song and a music video. Song should be a K-pop style and a music video with the following characters. And then you can add characters, whoever you have here, or click choose a character. I will actually hereby choose several of them. So we have Kim, as mentioned, I created those, and these ones are in the character library. So for the K-pop, this one, Vera Lynn, should look nice. Nova, then we'll have Luna Void, and we'll have Bommy. Those are 5 out of 5 characters selected. Let's confirm. Okay, so we don't have a music, we don't have a video, we only have an idea and the characters. Let's see what will happen. So it first started analyzing looks of each characters to see how will they fit in the final design. So first doing that. During the process you can upload your own music, your own lyrics, ask it to analyze, recommend some other ideas, recommend some other creative things to do with the song. So it's a complete kind of a intelligent agent studio. So together they read like a 5-member K-pop girl group, each with distinct visual identity. And now it asks me how should we style this K-pop song and the music video. So girl crush, dark and edgy like Blackpink, for example, hip hop, R&B, K-pop, cyberpunk, bright and playful, dual concept. Let's use this one, girl crush, Blackpink style. So it loaded several skills like music video creation, lyrics, music prompt, music creation. And now it started creating assets here directly in the canvas, which is pretty nice. You see standard infinite canvas that you can here organize as per your liking. Here we now have 2 different music tracks in the process of creation, and it is already done. It generated 2 versions in parallel using Mureka V9. Let's hear it. Sounds pretty good. Let's hear another version. song do sound nice, you can then polish, voice change, smart mastering. For example, if I click here, we can now, for example, master our track with a different reference, for example, like this, but we will skip that for now. And let's proceed to the music video creation. But before that, just to note that here you can also get stems and download the final copyright certificate, which is pretty good. Let's proceed. We can now choose which song to use, so the first one, the second one, or use both and then create a concept music video. I will use the first one. We can now choose the segment. It already recommended to use the chorus to the verse 2. Let's hear that. Good enough. Next step. It is now analyzing audio and preparing everything for the music video creation. Here it proposed the overall concept, and now we can modify or start creating music video. Proceed to generate all 5 character assets, 3 scene environments, then write the script, one go. Let's do that. I really like the overall flow, the recommendation, and the speed and the intelligence of the agent, I would say so. Here are our characters, and now creating 3 different scenes. Scenes look okay. Here is the creative script, and then we have 2 options if we want to proceed and start storyboarding or want to adjust something first. I'll on purpose go everything automatically here. Okay, so most videos are over. Let's just look at the separate scene. Okay, this looks pretty good. I immediately see that this scene is not good, and this is because I went with everything automatically, and the first image was created containing silhouettes of basically those guys, and then adding characters of those 5 girls messed up with the overall Seedance video logic, but nonetheless I will then continue a conversation and change that. We need to correct the scene 5, so first let's recreate image of the scene and then add characters, because we lost character consistency on this one. And also each scene should have a transitions based on the base. And you see it recognized the issue that I did, so I can see the issue shot 5 video used the original scene image but no character reference in images, so the figures locked consistency. And now it returned back automatically to the scene creation for the scene that I mentioned. And also it moves automatically here inside the canvas, which is pretty nice. And after several conversations here with the agent, I'm satisfied with all scenes. I can click here on preview, then it opens up the editor. It already aligned all of the videos as requested, and then we can look at the final version. And of course we can do some of the simple video editing here in this video editor. Let's look at the final version.
You already know. Mirror on the wall, can't cast this blame.
It's actually not bad at all. Now, as mentioned at the beginning, you can add lip sync during the video creation or start with lip sync. So here I will choose this character. Let's select a track. Okay, the one that we previously used. From here, nice. Next step, you can use 3, 4 for this. Multiple scenes, and then here in the request you can also share additional ideas. So for example, she's walking on a meadow, very simple things, and create. After preparation and analysis, it finally provided 2 different scenes that are lip synced. Those scenes are very simplistic. I wanted it on purpose that way, but you can add it differently. And as mentioned, you can go back to your videos and do a lip sync. So this one.
Shadows stretch across the room. The clock forgets to tick.
Nice. Now, as mentioned, you can also create as many characters as you want. Clicking here on characters. This is one of the characters that I created. Then with that character, you can shoot a dance, film a vlog, make a lip sync, or make a full music video. Creating characters is as easy as clicking here, create character, clone your twin designs from scratch, or upload existing. I will clone. Here is the image of myself. I will select the style of studio shot, DOM, nothing else is needed, create character. It is working very fast, and in a couple of seconds we'll have my own character of myself. It is automatically doing a Seedance check, which is now becoming green, so I can use the character of myself in whichever music video, lip sync, TikTok dance, or whatever I want here. Based on that, we can generate a reference sheet, recommended. I will not use this outfit So let's skip this for now. And here you can find all of the characters that are previously created by the system itself. Most of them are actually pretty good, depending if you are aiming for the K-pop, realism, anime, everything is available here. Now what about the pricing? Well, you can start for free and create already several songs. Then the basic plan for $18 a month gives you around 1800 credits and 150 daily refresh credits. And then the plus and the pro. So 1800 credits in the basic plan, and if you go back here for this music video of 35-40 seconds, we spent 259 credits. Most, of course, for the video generation. Sole audio generation of music, so creating a song, costs around 10 credits, if that much. And so as you can see, the barrier to entry here is practically non-existent. It is extremely easy to get a complete project up and running just by chatting with an agent. And honestly, the quality you get out of it is in most cases pretty good for a zero friction workflow. So let me know what you think. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.